Hi, I'm Alisa. I'm a process and automation specialist, and I want to show you just a little bit of what you can do in terms of automation using Airtable, Integromat, and Greeninvoice. So I've built a very simple database where you can track your clients, track your projects, and track your payments, and create automatically a preview and invoice in Greeninvoice without leaving Airtable. So let's say we have a new lead, someone who just contacted you by phone. They can have filled the form on your website, in which case you don't need to go for that. Let's say they're working for iWen, and we're going to use, this is my fourth test. I'm just tracking my test numbers. And at this stage, we don't know exactly the project. We don't have payments information. So I'm just going to submit it and get it into my database. I can assign the stages, a lead, proposal send, whatever you want. I'm just going to use proposal signed. And now I'm going to create a project. So now that we're going to give it a name. And now I'm just going to look for my new client. I just created, they signed a proposal, they're ready to start. And I get some information automatically populated. If I work with a team, you can assign it to someone. Check the status, so that's going to be a project to do. I can add payment information, so what's going to be the total fee for my project, and add the currency. We're going to see afterwards why that's useful. And that's very basic information on the project. Now I want to create and track my invoices from here. So I'm just going to create a new line, and date of invoice today. I want to give them a week to pay. I'm just going to look for my project. So this is my I went to, and you see I have information already populated. And what's going to happen is I just going to choose what I want to do. I want to create an invoice. I want to create an invoice for a consultation, and I want to charge them for one consultation, and I'm going to charge them the price of the project. I'm not offering any discount or any payment plan, so I'm going to charge for the full 100 shekel. And now what's going to happen is when I click this send to Greeninvoice, I have Integromat/Meg working in the back end and creating me this preview. It runs every 15 minutes, so I'm just going to first run it so we can see live what's going on. And if this is going through all the different steps, creating me my preview, creating me a PDF, and sending it back to Airtable, so I can click on my little preview button and see what the invoice would look like. So this is demo only, right? It doesn't create anything yet in Greeninvoice. I can check my information. You see that first of all here, I have a little issue with my client name. So that's something that will need to be fixed. But I can check the information. It's a consultation, the price, VAT, signature, everything is good. And now I'm gonna send and gonna create the document, create the live document in Greeninvoice. Same thing, I'm just going to first run it because I don't want to wait 15 minutes for the purpose of the demonstration. So now I'm going to get the new information, and I have some filter here that's checking if this checkbox has been checked or not. And if not, it's not going to generate. That's why it's stopping. If yes, it's going to generate it and bring me back the invoice number that has been created. So it hasn't done it live here because I don't want to create a live invoice in the system. But that's what you would get back. You would get back the invoice number that has been created, and also it will send automatically the email to your client that if you decide to, that the invoice has been created. So this is in a nutshell a very simple process that can be done to create and manage your clients and your invoices out of one place. and a lot more can be done.